Maupay nga gabi ay iyong tanan. Maupay nga patron. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! My batchmates and I are so glad you came. Tonight, we have the rare treat of laughing harder at ourselves as we reminisce and shake our heads at how we were. Every reunion is a wonderful opportunity to catch up, rekindle friendships, and find comfort in the fact that classmates and schoolmates are growing old with you. Tonight, we each get to check out our high school crushes. Kita abay na day mga tubang. And thank God, that was just a phase. We can't kid ourselves about looking as young as we did, but at least tonight, we can lay all our cares aside. Forget about the cholesterol. Forget about the problem of your prostate. Relax and have fun. Tonight, for several split seconds, and with the benefit of 2020 hindsight vision, we can pretend. Pretend we're still students, still cramming, still hanging out with our barkada, and poking fun at others. Pretend the world is our campus, that life is as uncomplicated as making sure that your uniform is ready and your homework is done, and that the apocalypse will hide your pimple even if it can't mend your broken heart. Tonight, pretending will be easy because you're with old friends who know you, really know you from way back. Back when you were a scrawny kid who thought that Gabby, Sharon, Maricel, William Martinez tandem were cool. Back when you'd fill your pockets with Timbura, Texas, Tarsan, Orange Sweets. Kaya pag sulod mo ang classroom, agi daw, nakabutol-butol aninduro animo saya. Tonight, we can laugh at our classmates who acted as if their lives were on the precipice. With every exam, every foolish stunt that was about to go undiscovered by our teachers, and every mind game ever played with an uyab, an either, and as my sisters would term it, consuelo. We turned out the way we have because of the choices we made in high school. So tonight, with our husbands or your wives and the kids tucked in bed and workaday world concerns locked away in some other untapped corner of your brains, my batchmates and I invite you to relive the happiest, funniest, and most awkward period of our lives. We invite you to laugh loudest at flashbacks of all your embarrassing moments witnessed by friends. And we invite you to get happily tipsy enough to own up to an old crush, and maybe later get dead drunk. So drunk you forget about the dirty dancing you're bound to do later when Highway 54 plays. At this point, I'd like to propose several toasts. But before that, I'd like all of you to grab that cocktail or that bottle of wine, beer, or imaginary scotch in your table. Please stand up and repeat after me. I promise to drink to everything that Arabelle and Batch 1984 toasts to, even if it means finishing more than one bottle of the alcohol I am holding at the moment. Cheers! I'd like to thank all our donors, especially our major donors. Representative Lorenzo Gabriel Noel, where are you? My older brother, now Representative Neil Benedict Montejo. In a local daily, it was mentioned na Neil Kuno, he yan youngest of 8 children in the family. Remember, last year yan na nag-host. Ako yan na pala. So please, let me be the youngest. Cheers to our current administrator of Liceo del Verbo, Father Orencio Rodriguez. Thank you so much for acceding to all our requests. Our high school principal, Mr. Anselmo P. Bugal. Sir, diri ka na po namo niya na payayak nun, kay ubus na ko na ni mo quota last year. Love you, sir. Our beloved teachers. Cheers to my favorite teacher. She may not be here. To Sister Mary Rose Otic, my deep respect remains, and thank you so much for the great inspiration. Cheers to all the WU alumni present. All friends and family present. Batch 1983, hosts of last year's event, thank you for that extra challenge. I'm mighty proud of your batch for producing 2 congressmen. I'd like to thank also my co-executive committee members, led by Attorney Raul Creencia, the overall chair of Kirigta 2009. Mr. Joey Mariano, Mr. Edwin Campo, Melissa Braga Montilla, the chairperson of the program committee, and Cecilia Gore Badato, the chairperson of the physical arrangements committee. Cheers to my favorite batch, Batch 1984!